Today we're going to ride Frozen Ever After. Look at the line. 55 minutes it says. Elsa and Anna had a facelift, I heard. We're going to check out this cosmetic procedure they had. See if it works out for them. Look at that little soldier up there. I never noticed that before. And the sword. You could actually see the sword today. Like really good. Oh, I got the whole front seat. How long did it take? 53 minutes. 53 minutes to get on. They said it was going to take. The sign said 55 minutes. I got on at 53 minutes, so it's pretty accurate. Scared me. That change makes a huge difference now. This raises the grade of Frozen Ever After now. Much better. Now the projection was cool in the beginning, and I don't hate the projection. It's just the projections fade and mess up too much, so they're not reliable. But and when you don't notice a projection, it's really good. But this is a huge upgrade, and it's gonna have a lasting presence because hopefully the animatronics doesn't fail like Tiana's. Today we're going to ride Frozen Ever After. Look at the line. 55 minutes, it says. Elsa and Anna had a facelift, I heard. We're gonna check out this cosmetic procedure they had, see if it works out for them. Look at that little soldier up there. I never noticed that before. And the sword, you can actually see the sword today. Like really good.